Altium Designer empowers you to design all kinds of PCBs, from simple to complex systems, quickly and confidently. Its unified platform keeps your workflow streamlined, from concept to production. Multi-board design helps you build electronic systems by managing logical and physical connections across multiple PCBs, ensuring mechanical and electrical integrity from the start. Quickly define your circuits using intuitive schematic tools designed to simplify the capture process. Validate your designs early with built-in SPICE simulation. Simulate directly from your schematics to catch issues before layout and reduce rework. Go from schematic to layout with confidence. Altium Designer delivers high-speed and HDI layout capabilities, industry-leading interactive routing, and powerful layout automation, helping you move fast while staying in control. See your designs come to life with the 3D PCB viewer. Visualize, verify, and optimize board layout with full mechanical context. True 3D MID support expands your design possibilities into mechatronic integrated devices, ideal for space-constrained or custom form factor applications. PCB co-design enables you and your team to work on the same board in parallel, cutting design time dramatically and improving collaboration. MCAD Co-Designer bridges the gap between electrical and mechanical teams. Collaborate effortlessly with popular MCAD tools like SolidWorks, PTC Creo, and Autodesk Inventor. ANSYS Co-Designer bridges to ANSYS Electronics Desktop for advanced simulation workflows. Design harnesses alongside your boards. Create logical wiring diagrams and physical layouts in a single flow for better system integration. Generate clear, complete documentation with Draftsman. Build fabrication and assembly drawings directly from your design. No extra tools needed. Stay in control with centralized libraries and up-to-date supply chain visibility. Choose components with confidence and keep your data aligned across teams and projects. Whether you're designing a simple board or an advanced electronic system, Altium Designer gives you the speed, clarity, and control to succeed.